Hey guys, this is a new video. We're going to be doing another one with my dog.
So do you need to ask for help? Buddy, listen to me. You're going to go to practice. Stop crying. You're going to go to practice and you're going to be by yourself. Henry's not going to be there. Mommy's not going to be there. Okay? Are you going to act like this and cry like a baby? Because you'll get kicked out.
Bluggity.
You won't be able to do it.
Bluggity. Oh, look
Okay,
at
so now
you.
do you understand why you should have taken a nap?
Then why?
Because I want help.
Did you ask for help?
No.
Okay, well maybe you should ask for help. Go find your shoes and get it together. Get it together.
It's like so cute. My brother's crying. Walter! Yes, I will. After I upload this video of Walter. Walter! Don't mind the crying.